I'm Ramana Tadepalli, president of 3S Ventures. 3S Ventures is an investment advisory out of Silicon Valley, California.
My name is Sanjay Kumar. I'm actually a clinician by training, internist and a cardiologist.
And we invest in disruptive technologies that are innovative and have mass appeal.
And I'm actually a member of the Thai Charter Group, Thai Angels. We routinely look at deals, and I normally screen and do due diligence on the ones related to digital health, biomedical devices, and the like.
At 3S Ventures, we screen hundreds of opportunities to invest in such technologies, being close to the hotbed of the technologies in both medical and in software related.
We usually invest in probably about 6 or 7 deals in any given year, and believe it or not, a large number of those of recent have actually been healthcare related.
POC Medical Systems, based in Livermore, California, is a company that actually meets and exceeds our qualifying criteria. This is a novel technology with a mass appeal that can be commercialized globally.
Really, if we look at technologies that POC is pioneering, right? Perhaps wearable sensor data is going, or where healthcare digitization, the data that is actually now becoming more predominantly available. Technologies like POC actually stand to complement that to a very large degree.
So POC Medicals developed this platform screening technology called Pandora CDX. The first application of this is in breast cancer. So POC Medicals developed a system called the Mammo Alert for breast cancer screening.
Today, POC might be addressing the needs for women and screening for breast cancer, but the technology doesn't stop there. Technology literally has a huge potential to address even other conditions or other malignancies and screen for perhaps other disease conditions that today require very exhaustive and laborious assays to be conducted.
POC Medical has targeted this breast cancer device to be released in the most populous region of the world, namely India, China, where today most of the population resides in the rural areas. There are no good doctors, there are no good trained personnel to do mammograms, and as a result of which the women do not get screened, while government there is trying to find ways and technologies to get more screening done.
We are very quickly in the next 2 decades heading into an area of personalized custom healthcare. Having more data from the likes of POC in combination with other data sources stands to literally give us an edge in terms of deciding or defining the kind of care that we would like to basically see or have, right? If you really look at access to mammography in developing countries like India or China, take the example of India, literally only 2 out of 100 women get screened. The rural areas literally have no mammography centers, or even if they do, they're rather cost prohibitive. If a woman were to travel to an urban center to get herself screened, you're looking at a day's trip.
Giving them not just access, but making it affordable for these populations to actually get access to such screening, I think is phenomenal.
Screening people still is very archaic in today's day and age for breast cancer. And I think that's what point of care medical is actually addressing. As their first condition or first disease, they are bringing about technologies to enable that to be done in a much more efficient, much more cost-effective fashion, in a much more widely distributed fashion, more about giving back, a social impact.
It actually fulfills an underlying social cause. That's the reason we are actually proud to be associated with POC.
We're hoping that being early investors in a company, we're hoping that this becomes a roaring success and does lead to change in a very meaningful way.